Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva for invitations. Canva offers thousands of professionally designed templates, making it simple to start. First, choose a template that matches your event's theme. Then, easily modify elements like colors, fonts, and backgrounds to suit your style. You can also upload your own images, perhaps a favorite photo, to make your invitation truly unique and personal. This initial step sets the foundation for a beautiful design. Once your template is chosen, dive into Canva's rich library of design elements. You'll find millions of icons, illustrations, and shapes, many available at no cost. Easily drag and drop these elements onto your invitation, resizing them to fit perfectly. Experiment with different filters and effects on your uploaded photos to enhance their visual appeal. For example, you might add a subtle vintage filter or adjust the brightness by 20%. This creative freedom ensures your invitation stands out. Now it's time to add all the essential details for your guests. Clearly communicate the event's purpose, the exact date, the start and end times, and the full location. Don't forget to include RSVP instructions, providing a contact number or email address for responses. Select fonts that are easy to read, perhaps a classic serif for headings and a clean sans serif for body text. Ensure the text size is large enough, at least 12 points, for everyone to comfortably read the important information. With your invitation complete, it's time to share your masterpiece. Canva allows you to download your design in several popular formats, such as a high-resolution PDF for printing or a JPG for digital sharing. You can also share your invitation directly through email or across various social media platforms with just a few clicks. For a more traditional approach, consider printing your invitations. A physical invitation, perhaps on a nice card stock, adds a touch of elegance and formality to your special event.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.